Hey guys, just wanted to show you the trim wheel I've been working on. Myself and a friend. I'm building a 172 sim that some of y'all have seen, and couldn't really get exactly what I wanted for a trim wheel, so we designed one. It's scaled to a 172. You have from center, you have 2 1/4 turns, full turns down, and 2 1/4 full turns up. The indicator is accurate to the sim in FSX, is what I've been testing it on. I'm using a simple potentiometer right now. Works really good. The only thing is, like with a lot of the switch panels where you have to turn everything back off, you just have to take this one and set it back to your takeoff position, which I'm going to start laser cutting the face plates and etching the words into it. This is just all 100% 3D printed right now with a few bolts. Been a couple months in the making, but I thought you guys would like to see it. It works really well. It's smooth. It has a stop on it, so it hits a stop. So it is a little springy, but it's good because you can't break it. It'll skip gears, but if you pulled on it that hard, you shouldn't be. But other than that, everything works great. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think.